My name is Cassie Johnston, Product Manager at Manitowoc Ice. We are often asked why Manitowoc doesn't make a large cocktail cube. The reality is that many of the methods used to produce these cubes rely on dated technology using mechanical processes, resulting in many moving parts and frustrated customers. I'm pleased to announce, however, that Manitowoc has developed a machine and a new cube that customers will love. Introducing the CrystalCraft Cube, produced by our newest Undercounter, the USP 100A. Let's first talk about the machine. With high production and storage, this sleek Undercounter is the perfect solution for operators looking to add a special touch to their premium cocktail lineup. It fits under standard bar height counters and produces up to 100 pounds of ice daily with 38 pounds of storage. The machine uses R290 refrigerant, a refrigerant that is naturally occurring and has very little effect on the environment. One-touch cleaning makes life easier for busy operators and owners. Designed with fewer moving parts to replace and Manitowoc's 3-year parts and labor warranty, you can be confident in your investment. Now, let's talk about the best part, the CrystalCraft Cube. We named this cube the CrystalCraft because of its purity and clarity, which is craved by top mixologists and connoisseurs of fine craft cocktails. As you can see, the 1-inch square cube melts slowly, cooling and enhancing the flavor and enjoyment of the most prestigious cocktails, ensuring the last sip is as good as the first. If you're looking to increase profits and impress customers with a premium beverage lineup, the CrystalCraft from Manitowoc is a cube you'll be proud to serve.